In this video tutorial, we're going to be talking about Bybit Copy Trading and how you can actually make money from it. Now, if you don't know already, copy trading on Bybit platform is actually you inside of your own Bybit account actually entrusting another pro trader with your funds to trade on your behalf. So you can go about your daily activities. Let's say you're still learning on how to trade. You can actually start making money with copy trading while learning how to trade. Or let's say you have a very busy person, you don't have that time to do analysis, look at the chart and start trading. Then copy trading is the best option for you. And I'll be walking you through using the Bybit mobile app. If you don't have a Bybit account already, just use the link in the video description or the link in my bio to sign up for a Bybit account and you get a welcome bonus. And in this video, we're going to be looking at how to copy specifically those who are trading Forex. So if you want to trade Forex, you want to tap into the Forex market, you can actually copy traders who are trading Forex. Inside of the Bybit app, you can trade crypto and then you can trade Forex. And then the copy trading too, we have those who are specifically trading Forex and then we have those who are specifically trading crypto. I'll show you all of that, but I'll be walking you in details how to copy those who are trading Forex, right? So once you sign off an account using the link in the video description or in my bio, you need to log into your Bybit account. You need to get your account verified actually up to level 2 for this to be able to work for you. So once you log into your Bybit app, the first thing you want to do here on the home page, you see here where we have more, go ahead and click on more. And once this option loads up, you want to scroll down to the option where it says trade. So here where we have trades, this particular category or section where it says trade, you'll see the option for copy trading right here. So go ahead and click on it. And once you click on the copy trading option, by default, what loads here, these are PNLs of those who are trading crypto. So this person, for the past 7 days or thereabout, because the PNLs that are showing up here is for the past 7 days, I guess. So this person has made over 65%, and then it goes on that way. So you can see 160%, 300%. These are all, this particular section here where it says classic, we are under the classic option. These are all the crypto traders. Now, if you want to trade, copy those who are trading Forex, you go to this option where it says trade file. And once you click on the trade file option, it gives you the list of all of those who are trading Forex, and you can equally see the result right here, different traders being ranked. If you go to all traders, you can see all of the list of traders being ranked according to their performance in the past 30 days. And if you have people your favorite, you can go to the favorite option. So if we come to the leaderboard right here, you can refresh, you can, scroll down right here and see all of the different PNLs and copy any trader of your choice. Now, if you have a particular trader in mind that you want to copy, all you just need to do is to go ahead and use the search bar at the top right here. Go ahead and click on it. And let's say we want to copy digital Leonard. We just go ahead and type in digital Leonard right there, and that trader will pop up. So if you know the trader you want to copy, just type the name. So in this case, we want to copy digital Leonard. We just go ahead and click. And once we click on it, we can see the result for the past 7 days for digital Leonard. So let's just go ahead and click and see more details. So this is the performance for the past 7 days for digital Leonard. And then digital Leonard has made this amount of PNL for himself, and then this amount of money for those copying his trades. And you can go to trades, I guess. So right here, if this particular trader has a trade or has some trades running, you see it there. And if you want to look at the close PNL, you can go ahead and look at all of the close PNL for that particular trader, and you can see all of that details right here. If you are satisfied with this particular trader, all you just need to do is just to go ahead and click on copy. And once you click on copy, by the way, you can equally look at these details for the past, let's say the past 30 days, the past 90 days as well, if you want to. But let's just go ahead and click on copy option. Once you click on copy, it tells you to add the investment amount. By default, some traders have limits here. Some can say, oh, the minimum you can copy my trade will be 1,000 or 3,000 or 5,000. They have all of those details right here. Okay, so right here, the minimum here is 300, and we can go as high as about 200K. So this particular, we have funds here already. By default, if you don't have funds, just click on the plus icon, and you'll be able to transfer funds into your funding wallet actually. Then here, we just need to go ahead and add 300, since 300 is the minimum to copy that trader with. And Bybit gives you a refund if your first trade is a losing trade. And getting that refund, for those of you who are doing this for the first time, you will actually see a banner here that tells you, to check that to be able to get that refund, right? If you see that, go ahead and check it. This account doesn't, because it is an old account. And for this particular trader, I will just go ahead and uncheck this trailing stop because the trader handles all of that. So personally, I prefer you don't check any of this. The trader will handle both the stop loss and the SL, everything, the TP levels for you automatically, right? So once you do that, go ahead and check right here. to agree to the terms and condition and go ahead and copy now, and then click on confirm, and voila, automatically you are copying this particular trader. So going forward, whenever this trader takes a trade, the trade will be automatically reflected on your account, and when they close that trade, either in profit or in loss, it will equally be reflecting in your account. And at the end of the day, whatever profit that the trader makes for you, there's a percentage that goes to the trader as well. So that's how easy it is to be able to copy traders on Bybit. And going forward, I'll be updating you on the progress on this particular trader that we are copying to see if the trader is a good trader and if you too can start copying the trader. But there are a lot of traders right here that you can actually look at. You can just let's just go ahead and cancel this. Right, we are still on the trade file option, so you can scroll down right here and see different traders with different P&Ls. Just go ahead and click on any trader of your choice. Look at the details, look at the requirements. If everything resonates with you, go ahead and copy that particular trader and start making money for yourself, all on autopilot. I hope this video is helpful. If it is, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you have not done that already. Hit the notification bell so that whenever we publish new videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified. And if you want to learn more, join us on Telegram. The link will be in the video description or in my bio. Once again, if you don't have a Bybit account already, use the link in my bio or in the video description to sign up for an account. And I'll see you guys in the next video.